Welcome back to everyone. Debate part 2. We have done part 1 in which we have learned how to write debate, what is the importance of debate and what is the format of debate. Let us continue with do's and don'ts. These are very valuable tips for you to attempt the debate writing questions in a better way. So like in speech you have done, similarly all the points before writing in a rough sheet you can in point only write on the answer sheet. Check the grammatical mistakes and spellings. Leave space properly. Underline the important points. Some quotations you should learn. The presentation should be neat and clean. Before attempting the exam, you should go through various debates. Quotations related to environment, politics, social issues. You should collect information and quotations about this, and also prepare last year's question papers. One more thing I would like to say, this is actually not to be implemented while writing, means you can use somewhere, but it is very useful while debating in reality. When you want to stress on anything, you can say personally I think, or as far as I am concerned, as far as I can see, or if you are agree, then you can say I agree with you, or if you are not agree, then you can say I differ from you, I differ with you entirely, I disagree with you. Similarly, when you want to say the opposite of what someone else said, on the contrary, quite the contrary, just the opposite, this is quite the contrary to what I said. When you are quite sure of something, then you can say I contend, I maintain that, it is my conviction that, and then you can continue the sentence. When you want to ask a question, don't ask directly, rather you say may I interrupt you, or there arises the question point whether if, or this question raises the whole issue. Similarly, when you have not understood, you will say I beg your pardon, could you repeat what you have just said, could you slow down a bit. Like this you can continue while debating in reality. If you should want to correct a mistake, excuse me, you should have said. Or when you want to distinguish one aspect from the other, you can say on the other hand, at first sight, on second thought. Like this you can continue. When you want to add something, moreover, furthermore, these phrases you can use. When you want to emphasize on something, I would like to lay emphasis on the fact, and then you can continue. To be frank, or frankly speaking, in this way you can these phrases you can use while debating in reality. Now, don'ts. Never mention any of your personal details, name, school name or address. Never write in one go. Make sure you follow the right format and make paragraphs. Don't use slangs or short forms. Don't write wrong facts. Try not to exceed the prescribed word limit, and do not invest too much time in just this question. So now it is time to share one example. It is a sample paper question from 2018-19 CBSE exam. Let me read sample for you. And once again the same thing. Write either for the motion or against the motion just below the topic. When you are writing, first line is the topic, below that for the motion or against the motion. So the question is, you are Mukul or Mahima of ALS Public School. Your school has organized a debate on social media and its effect. and you will be participating from your school. Prepare your views against or in favor of the motion in 150 to 200 words. Okay, so let us see how it is written. Social media, you can see the first line, social media and its effects, and in bracket just below you can write for the motion. We are all now connected by the internet like neurons in a giant brain. This is a quotation. Honorable judges, teachers and my worthy opponents, thank you for giving me the opportunity to join the debate on the topic social media and its effects. I am Mukul Mahima and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. How many people do not have a smile on their faces on finding an old friend on Facebook? Well, social media has removed all the barriers and boundaries to communication by bringing the globe on a single platform. While business opportunities have widened, marketers' reach has broadened. It keeps us updated about everything going on in every nook and corner of the world on a real-time basis. So you can see the quotations are used here. Some highlights are given here. From emergency alerts, announcements and declarations to knowing how our friends are doing, all has become so convenient. It provides freedom of speech and thus enables everyone to speak their mind, not to forget the incalculable access it provides to the extensive information. With so much advancement and innovation, it would be an unimaginable world without having social media in it. Someone has rightly put it into words by saying, and one more quotation here, social media is addictive precisely because it gives us something what the real world lacks. It gives us immediacy, direction and a value as an individual. Thank you. And now this is another one, means against the motion. This I am not going to read, you can read yourself. And after this you will write the concluding part. Here also some quotations are used in the right amount. So remember, you leave the present moment every time you check the phone. Thank you for your cooperation and patient hearing. So like this you end your debate. So this was all, and now it is important to give you some work so that you can practice. So 3 questions I have prepared for homework, and these are important questions. Prepare them and do it in your CW notebook, because that is for writing and grammar, and homework notebook is for all the question answers of your prose, poetry and fiction. So I hope you have learned something today. It is going to be a fruitful day for you. It is time to say thank you. So thank you very much. In case of any queries, any doubts, WhatsApp me, message me, I will reply your queries. Okay.